Hello, my name's Jude Pullen and this is the Good Air Canary which I've been making with DesignSpark. I also made previously the RadioGlobe here, and what these two things both have in common is a bit of a novel approach to 3D printing. So both of these use virtually no build support at all and are also fully disassemblable with only one or two tiny little bits of super glue and things that needed to be permanent. So I've got a little bit of a sort of quirky approach. As you can see here, there's a lot of screws under there holding it together, and the same with the canary at the back. And this is very much born out of my engineering training of making things that are good for prototyping that can be easily disassembled. So I thought I'd like to share some of the tips and tricks for this so that you could use them to projects, whether you're making radio globes, canaries, or indeed environmental sensor development kits like this, or something entirely different. So please take a look at the videos over the coming weeks and hope you enjoy them. Thanks again. Bye.